Okay, it's October 24th, 2014. Pre-market's 8:28, about a little more than an hour before the market opens. I'm looking at uh 4-hour chart here, and here goes some of the things I'm just looking at this morning. Um, I'm looking at the 200 moving average on a 4-hour chart, and it's the price is bouncing off the 20 moving average and testing this 20 moving average. If it break above the moving average at 42.87, I'll be looking to go long, but not at 42. Look at the daily chart. It looks like the daily chart may move up and break above the open of 46. Yesterday's close was 46.50, and the high of this bar is 47.25. So if we break a if this the buyers push this price back up above the open and the high, I'll be looking to go long. I guess they take a few points before it touches the 56. It may break and try to test the 60, the 67 level, 60, 60, 67 level, 68, between 68 and 70 around this area. Then this level and this level. But today, if it break up, I may just try to get some points in between here and this 56, real tight. On a 15-minute chart, let me take out some of this real quick. Like it may start a different uptrend if it break through here. On a 15-minute chart, let me pull up. Make sure this is correct real quick. On a 15-minute chart, I'm looking for this break, because this break on a cloud coincides with the high of the daily chart and the 4-hour, well, the open of the daily chart and the 4-hour chart. If it breaks above the 200 moving cloud, 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. So let's see what happens, and if we can get a push above, and like I said, try to get just get a few points in between here, above here, and this 56. Got about 10 points or so from 46 or 48 to 56. If we can get above this 48 level, we can get a few points in this level here, in this area here above this congestion. We may be able to get a push high, a couple of points, and that's all I'm looking for. On the hourly chart, this is also coinciding with the 4-hour chart and the daily chart. We have the pivot point here at 41.67. So if it holds above the pivot point, then we could be looking for more buyers to come in and start buying and push it up to maybe test yesterday's high. So that the hourly chart, the 4-hour chart, the daily chart, and the 15-minute chart is coincides with the price price levels of certain breaks and buyers coming in on each chart. So just looking up to if this closes above the pivot point and then next hourly bar opens up, could push up. So all of them coincide in that. So I'm looking to go long, and if it comes and breaks down below 1920, I'll be looking to go short. Okay, it made this pop and I missed it. It jumped right over 47 all the way to 50. Jumped up 3 points. Waiting for the 15-minute bar to open up at 2 minutes and see if it opens up and keeps pushing higher. Okay, I'm in at 51. See if we can get a push higher to about 56. And maybe it opened up and come back down. Stop out. I'm not gonna try to take too much of a loss. Okay, no follow through on that push up. Took a loss. See if it can come back and break up above its close of 50 again. Looking to go long at 47.50. It popped up over 47.50 the first time, made a strong comeback, pull back. Now I'm looking to get in over 47.50. The open was 46. Okay, so I'm in at 47.50. See if we get a follow through back up to the 50 level. Two positions at 48. I don't want to take a loss, so I got out at the 48. One tick. So I had no follow through, and now it's going to swing around this area back and forth. So I'm gonna wait to see what happens, if it's going to be an up day or a down day. Okay, I'm in at 47.50. Tried it another time. See if the push up came down, started holding this level here, and see if we can make a push higher on this go around. It's been going between the daily open. It's been up, been down between the open. So let's see if we can get a push up. Alright, I'm in 2 at 48. Looks like we're getting a little push here. Look like we may get the push we're looking for now. If it don't push, I'll get out a tick above break even. See if we can get the push up. See if we can break out this level. Don't look like it want to go yet. Yep, there we go. Still got this level to break out of. May not happen yet. May take a minute to consolidate and break out. And come back. Looking to possibly go long above at 51 above this 1 hour bar. If it came down and then push back up and break the high, I'll be looking to go long at 51. See if it can push up to the 56 level, or maybe 60. Maybe touch this high, the high of this bar here at 56. So maybe it could push up to the 56 level. No, you want to go in that 1, not 2 contracts. The high of this bar is 50.75, so if it can break the 50.75, see if some buyers can come in and push it up. Keep moving it up to 56. We'll have to break this 50. We'll have to break this 52.50. This high today. Okay, I'm in at 51. Got a few seconds left, so I'm gonna pause the video and see how it work out. Okay, it's a good chance I may get stopped out. Look like it's stalling around here. So we'll see in a minute. Okay, I was stopped out at 1949.75. So I'm down 221 for the day.